Dominus Rex signing in, and today we'll be taking a look at this. I have just gotten a special box to, well, unbox for you. And as you can see, as you can see on your left, you'll see a Jurassic Park command center, as well as this Lost World Kenner Velociraptor for this special occasion as we unbox something that I have yet to own. A real Kenner dinosaur. Now, as you can see, it is already unboxed a little bit because I recorded this and it did not go so well because I was already recording, and when forget it, it just, I wasn't recording at the same time, and when I was talking it just didn't come out right. So, a little story before I fully open this. I have never had a real Kenner dinosaur, but today is about to change. Where should I put you so that way you guys can see it? Oh, I'll put it right here. Right there. Alright, let's get into this. I waited so long for this. And we are about to see. Ooh, that's a lot. That's a lot of packaging. Yeah. Oh, shoot. 1 second. Alright, some of the fencing came off, but I think that would be better because the box is just too big, so I just can't really get into this. So I'll just unbox it. Ooh, I can see it. Oh boy. Oh no. Oh man. Are y'all seeing this? This is my first Kenner T-Rex. This feels nice. This feels nice, I have to say. This is the Kenner Jurassic Park. Oh, shoot. This is my first Kenner T-Rex that I've ever owned. And it is the original boy himself. The big red Rex. Roar! Roar! Yeah, dude. This looks amazing. It feels nice too. It has some stomping features. Hold on. I'm gonna see if it stands. Alright, now that I've gotten all of the packaging off the table, here's the moment of truth. Does she stand? A little. I'm gonna have to balance her out. But, geez, this thing look cool. It gives off a huge presence in the collection. Like, my camera is not doing this thing justice, but yeah, this thing is in like perfect condition. Has some stuff on here. Has some stuff on there if you can see. I don't know if I'm doing I don't know if I'm getting good shots of these, but man, this thing looks cool. I'll get you the other side. Man, this looks cool. I have batteries, good thing, so I can see if this thing really works. On Etsy it said it did, so be right back. Alright, moment of truth. To see, I just put in some good batteries in here, and this is a moment of truth. This is gonna see if this thing still works. Spoiler alert, it does. Hold on, I had the button somewhere. Yeah! Yes, that was so cool. Oh shoot, the thing is paying. Yeah. Gotta put that back in there. Uh-oh. Alright, cool. Still works. Alright, great unboxing. A review will be coming out in a few weeks. I have some stuff I need to do for school, But after school ends, then a review is coming your way real soon. So this is Pleb Dominus Rex signing off. Roar!